Okay. Recording again.
Okay.
So just go back here.
Do you want to go to some of these questions? Because we
Yes.
finished these questions
So let's
here.
just tell me just that house you designed it on
Oh, the one on Castle Frank?
Castle Frank.
Yeah. So that's a traditional home shell.
Traditional that was made like mix it with modern.
Yeah, it became
the
more
rear.
contemporary for sure.
We have a video for that on YouTube.
Yeah,
for
you can check that out. It's a great home. Fantastic clients, very involved clients, which helps all the design process. And what was fun about that house was the fact that we were mixing contemporary modern with a very traditional shell of a home. And it worked out beautifully. So, and the clients absolutely loved it. And they're very sophisticated clients. They're very well traveled. They're very well educated. And they were overjoyed with it.